Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. I want to show you a lot of people have been complaining their cards are not working and so on, especially old users of Dash been complaining that they've not been able to use their virtual card on Binance, on different applications. The truth is, I noticed a lot of people that have not been able to use it are people that have been using the Dash app for a while, maybe those that have run it last week. So I will just urge you, if you have, the truth is, we all need this money, we all need to make this money. So what you need to just do for now, since our own card is not working, the old one we used last week, then what I did is I tried to create another new account with someone else's account. But the thing is just that their withdrawal is currently not working. I don't know why. So and the issue is, I noticed some people, if they try it once, if it works once, they try to now make withdrawal a bigger one. If you make little one at first, it may work. Then when they now try to do the second one, it will now fail. So, and those who run it once, it goes through once. If it's a new account, it goes through once. So it's now up to you to now decide if you are willing to take the risk of putting all the money once and running it once. But the thing is, the withdrawal might eventually come back up. Maybe they are running some maintenance on those that collected excess fund in return for their failed transactions. Maybe they are still working on it. That's why. But to be honest, Dash has been here for a very long time. Dash has been run up and running since 2019, and everyone knows Dash for a while now. So I don't think they are planning to take our funds or something. But if it's just a matter of time. But if you are using money, the thing is, don't even use money you need urgently. That's the truth. So let me show you what you actually need to do is just use Binance. As I've said in my earlier video, when you're using Binance, don't use Binance application. That's when you'll be seeing card notes, this and that. Just use the web. The web just comes like this. You use Binance web. This is Binance. You see, it comes like this. This is how the web looks like. When you come to the web, this is how it looks like. So you just close this, then you click on these three dots up here. Then you can see login, you can see register. All you just need to do is log in. So once you log in, just go to P2P, just like we do on the application. Okay, let me log in and show you. I will need to pause the video so that I can enter my details. So I've just logged in now. I'm just waiting for my phone verification. It's actually on my other phone, so I will get the code now and enter it, which is 399-585. That's my one-time password. Yeah, so you can see I'm up now. So here it's even straightforward. Once you click on this buy now, as you can see there, why is this showing me login? It's not supposed to be showing me this. But just click on buy crypto where you are seeing this GBP, because GBP is the best one. It's the one that gives highest profit. GBP will give you up to, if you're running your 300,000 naira limit, GBP will actually give you 200k profit. Yeah, so you come here 200 plus, not even 200k, more than 200. So you are using credit or debit card. So just wait for it to load. Okay, it has loaded. So what we need to do now is, you need to use BUSD. You can use BUSD or USDT, but I prefer BUSD. But the thing is, when you use BUSD, you still need to convert to USDT later. So why I just feel like using BUSD. So you can just run, for example, just if you want to run what is it called, you can run 700 at it. No, don't run 700. If you want to run the 300 limit, you need to run like 690. You need to run like 690. So I don't even, my card is currently not working because I don't really have the card has been, since I've been using my own for a while, so it's like we the old users have been blocked out somehow. So you can just do something like this. It will ask you to add card or something, add new card. So let me just get my card details. So I'll actually pause the video so that I can enter my card details, then go to the next stage. You can see this is what mine is actually showing, because the reason why it's showing that is because my card has not been working since this week. It actually worked last week. I used up all my limits, but since this new week I've not been able to use it at all. So even withdrawal, I've actually not been able to use it. But you can try yours. Don't let anybody tell you that the gate is closed or something. Currently, throughout today, I don't know of this evening because I've been busy lately. I've not even been able to check messages for updates or something. But from morning till around 3 o'clock, I'm very sure a lot of people are using their cards. If you try Binance, if it doesn't work for you, then you can try TransferWise. You can as well try KuCoin app. That's KuCoin exchange. It's just like Binance as well. So those three are actually working earlier today. And also Mercurial, I had someone say they use Mercurial as well. So they've been working. You can try any of them if you have the login. If you have an account with them, you can just try any of them. To be honest, it's worth trying. So but to be very honest with you, it is Binance that you run so easily, smoothly, and you won't have any serious headache. Because at times Binance don't even require you to use your OTP. That's one thing. So, and again, when running, when using Binance, just make sure anytime it show you unable to process, just leave it for some hours. Don't retry. Even if it show you that you should post appeal or something, you should appeal and send. Don't send anything. Just wait for like 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, or thereabout. It will automatically clear itself. So after that time, if you retry again, if it's working, if it will work, it will go through. I had similar issue at some point, so it later worked. So that's how it goes. Please guys, for you to get more updates, once I receive anything, I will just drop update. But you know, most of these updates doesn't last. So just try to turn on notification on my video so that you can receive instant notification once I drop videos. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button, please. Don't forget to also share with your friends and family so that they can also achieve and gain from this update. Don't be stingy. So share with friends, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.